Hey everyone, this is me Rajendran from Market Calls. In this video, I'm going to discuss about how the ongoing US-Iran tensions impacted the market thus far. We'll be discussing about how the price action happened in Nifty, Bank Nifty, crude oil, gold, US futures from the post-Iran missile attack. On Jan 2020, roughly around 5 a.m. in the morning, Iran launched a missile towards Iraq to attack US air base. It is a huge negative sentiment to the markets. At the Indian Open, Nifty opened a gap down with little more than 100 points in Nifty futures. And however, the sentiment lasted hardly less than 5 minutes, and from there, short-term sentiment completely shifted to the positive side with a whooping 300 points gain in a matter of three trading sessions. Right, so which is quite unbelievable, in fact. If in case you watched part 2 video, it is highly recommended to watch it. In that video, I explained how negative consensus is created and how smart money later on plays against the consensus view. Though Iran missile attack is bad for the people, market hardly cares about it. Probably it impacts the market from a very short term perspective. However, market have its own memory. In fact, Bank Nifty also done a similar price action to Nifty futures, and after the gap down post Iran missile attack, Bank Nifty gained almost more than 1,000 plus points, which is quite huge, especially for index futures like Bank Nifty. And now coming to the crude oil, Iran missile attack happened around 5 a.m. around Indian Standard Timings, which created immediate shock waves in crude oil and gold futures. However, those immediate surge haven't lasted longer. That instant fears made a surge of almost more than 4% price action movement in crude oil with a vertical spike. However, that instant fear created a damage later on. Like later on, the crude oil falls more than 8% from the intraday high, and hardly the negative fears lasted for little more than an hour. And talking about the gold also raised almost. It almost touched the psychological reference 1600 plus levels, and later on it crashed down below 1540 kind of levels. So the panic sell-off came after that missile attack, and the media channels are continuously bombarding about that breaking news, Iran tensions, US-Iran war, even the world war. So a lot of talks are going around the media channels. However, at the same time, the US futures, the ES mini, right, S&P 500 also dropped. The overnight market dropped. The sharp sell-off, it even went down below that 3,200 mark and finally raised to an unprecedented levels with a sharp vertical V-shaped levels. The key learnings, what we can learn from here is that avoid reacting to such kind of negative sentiments emotionally. It will be harmful to trade such events in the direction of the negative sentiment. In a very short term, just no, don't be a weaker hand. Just a quick announcement here. This Thursday, we are doing a live trading room on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis using market profile and order flow. So we will be discussing about how to prepare for the day and what kind of trading sentiment is going on and what to anticipate, what kind of trading setup is happening. So lot many discussions will be happening for using market profile and order flow tools. So hope to see you soon in our live trading room. So to join the trading room, there is a link down below the YouTube comment section. There you can find, and you can go back and register in that link, and you'll be getting an welcome invitation mail from our team. Right. So hope to see you soon, and thanks for watching the video. Thanks once again.